What's the meaning of bench press? Bench press. Bench press.
Bench press. Bench press. The bench press is a weight training exercise that primarily targets the chest muscles, but also works the shoulders and triceps. The exercise is performed lying on a bench, with a barbell or dumbbells held over the chest and lowered down towards the body, then pushed back up to the starting position. The bench press is popular among weightlifters and bodybuilders as it is a compound movement that can help build overall upper body strength and muscle mass. In addition to its physical benefits, the bench press is often used as a measure of strength in fitness competitions and is a staple exercise in many workout routines.